Yes, hello there. I am Joshua Gwal, presenting here with my team, Nicholas and Hilary. We are going to present to us about Arua Blood Bank Management System. This module is architectural design. I'm diving into the 4+1 model view, where we shall be having the logical view. The logical view basically talks about the entities that are in the system. Here in our blood bank management system, we have the donors, whereby the privileges will be adding, updating donor details. Then the blood donations also is an entity. This one basically entry of records. Then the requests that are made by other hospitals are also recorded into. We also have the users module. The users, this one admin will be able to create, manage user roles and responsibilities. We also have blood bank staff among the users. Then in the process view, presents the activities that are occurring at runtime. We have the login or authentication, then the data entry, then you also update of the inventory, then the request handling process when a request is received, then also blood handover to a particular hospital. Then in the development view, we have the organization of our code into the different modules of user management, blood donations, and blood requests. This is how we shall organize our code. Then the libraries and frameworks that we shall be using will involve PHP and MySQL. Then also as a version control tool for managing changes, we shall use Git. Then we shall also document our work. Let me welcome Hilary.
Thank you, Joshua. Now we're going to go through the physical view. Basically, physical view, we are going to look at the servers, and the servers one, so look at the web server that will host our PHP based applications. Then the database server, it will basically host our MySQL database, storing donor information, blood inventories, and request records. Then the network connectivity for remote users, and the client devices for access via web browsers. Then we have scenarios there, like the use cases. Number one, the data entrant adds a new donor, which updates the database with donor details. Then number two, a staff logs a blood donation that will update the inventory levels and store in donor and blood details. And number three, also look at the blood a blood request is created, checked against current blood inventory. Either the system will approve, it will fly it approved or unavailable if the blood is not in the inventory. Requested blood is not in the inventory. Then blood is transferred and inventory is updated according to the reflected stock. Basically, that's all. Let me welcome Nicholas to continue.
So I'm going to take you through the layered architecture of our system, and to start with, we are going to have basically like 4 layers. And the first layer is the presentation layer. It's mainly going to contain the login page, the home page, the donors page, the blood donation page, request page, handover page, and user page. As you can see, the arrows which are pointing, they are showing the flow of data or the flow of information from the different layers. Then we have the application layer. The application layer is mostly the layer that is for controls, and it contains the logics, which we have the user authentication logic, the business inventory management logic, the nation management logic, and the rest. Then beneath that we have the access layer. The access layer is majorly containing our databases. Like we have the database, okay, containing like the APIs, whereby APIs we have the database connection, and we have data access objects as well. Then the last layer is going to contain, it is the database containing different tables. Like we have the table for donors, the table for requests, the table for users, the table donations, and that is the layer for the database. And I think this is the end of our presentation for this. Thank you.
Thank you.